Are you torn between VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU for your virtualization needs? Let's delve into the ultimate showdown of features, performance, and usability to help you choose the best fit for your projects. What specific aspects are you most interested in comparing? So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can choose the best virtual machine. So choosing the right virtualization platform can be challenging, especially with options like VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, QEMU on the table. Each offers unique features and capabilities, catering different needs, whether you are an enterprise user, a developer, or a hobbyist. In this comparison, we will break down their strengths and weaknesses to help you find the perfect fit for your virtualization projects. Let's dive in. We have the first one, which is called VMware. VMware is a leading virtualization platform that enables users to create and manage multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. So here we have the smarter way to cloud. Our private cloud solution delivers the security and agility enterprises need, supported by technologies for application, edge, infrastructure, and private EA. If we scroll down, you'll find here introducing VMware Cloud Foundation 9. Bootcamp involves the future of VMware Cloud Foundation. Then you have the business value of VMware Cloud Foundation. And if we scroll down, you'll find here cloud solutions for your business like app platform, cloud infrastructure, and networking. So its benefits include enhanced resource utilization, improved scalability, and reduced security features, making it ideal for enterprise environments. VMware's tools such as vSphere facilitate effective management of virtual resources, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Additionally, its seamless integration with cloud services allows organizations to adopt hybrid cloud strategies, optimizing ETA infrastructure while supporting innovation and agility. Also, here we have trending topics like EPM and VMware help enterprises adopt generative EA. Then we have announcing general availability of VMware Private EA Foundation with NVIDIA. Then we have VMware Cloud Foundation total cost of ownership white paper, and also we'll find sovereign clouds like new developer data and security services. Then that's it for VMware.com, and let's move on to VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is an open source virtualization software developed by Oracle that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. So in the homepage, we have here powerful open source virtualization for personal and enterprise use. You have just to click over Get Started and download VirtualBox binaries and platform packages. Have a community, documentation, and training. Then we have also, if we scroll down, join the VirtualBox community. Millions of users actively use VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a community effort backed by Oracle. Everyone is encouraged to contribute. Oracle helps ensure the product meets professional quality criteria and offers support resources for users. So its key benefits include being cost effective as it's free to use and offering broad compatibility with various host systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. VirtualBox features an intuitive interface, snapshot capabilities for easy state restoration, and seamless integration with the host system, which enhances productivity with support for a wide range of case operating systems and an active community for research. VirtualBox is a versatile choice for developers and tech enthusiasts alike. So that's it for VirtualBox, and let's move on to the Hyper-V. So in the Hyper-V, we have an introduction to Hyper-V on Windows, and then we have reasons to use virtualization, system requirements. So Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft that allows users to create and manage virtual machines on Windows Server and Windows 10. Its benefits include tight integration with the Windows ecosystem, enabling seamless management through familiar tools like PowerShell and System Center. Hyper-V offers features such as live migration, which allows virtual machines to move between hosts without downtime and robust security options like shelled virtual machines. Additionally, it supports nested virtualization and containerization, making it ideal for both enterprise environments and development scenarios while providing scalability and high availability for demanding workloads. And we have also here operating systems you can run in the virtual machines, differences between Hyper-V on Windows and Hyper-V on Windows Server. Then we have limitations also, next step, feedback again. You can just here was the special for you, click over yes or no, and also you will find here other information like introduction to Hyper-V, install Hyper-V, make a virtual machine, manage virtual machines with Hyper-V, Hyper-V and PowerShell, shared devices and other information. You can just click over the one you want and you get started with Hyper-V also. So let's move into the QEMU. QEMU we have a generic and open source machine emulator and virtualizer. So what is QEMU? QEMU is an open source machine emulator and virtualizer that enables users to run multiple operating systems on various hardware architectures. So if we scroll down here, we will find here full system emulation, run operating systems for any machine or any supported architecture. Then we have here user mode emulation, run programs for another Linux-based target on any supported architecture. Then we have the last one, which called virtualization, run KVM. And so what is KVM? KVM is kernel-based virtual machine and chain virtual machines with near native performance. Then we have a full list of releases. You can just click over it and you will know more information about it. So its key benefits include flexibility as it supports a wide range of cases, OS types and architectures from to ARMs. QEMU can operate in two modes: as a full system emulator for running in modified case operating systems and as a lightweight virtualizer, when paired with KVM kernel-based virtual machine for improved performance. It's highly configurable and can be integrated into cloud and container environments, making it a powerful choice for developers and researchers seeking an adaptable virtualization solution. So we have QEMU, the Hyper-V and VirtualBox and VMware. So the best one is VMware. So VMware is often regarded as the best virtualization platform for enterprise environments due to its robust features, including high availability, disaster recovery, and seamless cloud integration. Its vSphere management capabilities optimize resource allocation and performance in heavy workloads, while strong security measures protect sensitive data. Additionally, VMware supports hybrid cloud strategies, making it ideal for organizations seeking flexibility and innovation. Overall, its performance and comprehensive support make VMware a top choice for serious virtualization needs. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.